My name is Unai Extremo, CEO and one of the founders of Virtualware. We are really excited to be here. This is the first virtual reality room in Canada.
What we identified with McMaster was a partner that was serious about innovation and also had a deep history of working with industry partners as a resource. Our platform, Viru, is going to allow Hamilton and the region to be able to leverage this amazing technology that not only allows for people to utilize simulated environments within here with the infrastructure projects and the things that are happening, but also globally to be able to collaborate and unify people in regards to other businesses looking to invest here, looking to work with the companies that are here. Now, there's the ability with Viru to actually go into virtual environments in 3D to be able to work with people not only locally, but also everywhere in the world.
So I've been working with McMaster Automotive alongside our industry partner Cubic Transportation Systems on developing virtual reality simulations for the smart mobility sector. And as part of that, we've been creating simulations of things like station gates, vending machines, validators, and testing and developing the travelers, the commuters' experience in a transit station. Traditionally, when you're presenting a product, you would most likely use PowerPoint, right? But now we can actually involve every single team member into this VR world. Whether it's deployed to the headset or to the desktop, they can actually be there in 3D space, looking at a product from multiple angles and giving us their critiques. Our new partnership with Virtualware has made it a lot more easy, a lot faster to design things in VR. So for example, we've had 2 students come on board in the past month, and what they've been able to do in 1 week before our partnership with Virtualware, before this new VR suite, it would have taken me 2 months to do. So the whole process has become a lot more streamlined.
This VR room will help the students by offering them new hands-on and experiential learning opportunities. As a researcher, the VR room and the partnership with Virtualware will allow us to develop technologies for sustainable transportation systems. What is really exciting to us is through VR Room, we can address not just artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies for the smart mobility of the future, but we put equity, diversity, and inclusion at the heart of everything. Because people are different. People, they have different abilities, different disabilities. And with VR Room, you can bring pedestrians, you can bring people in the loop for the next generation of transportation and smart mobility systems.
Essentially, this technology is something that many people may have heard of before, but more in regards to gaming and entertainment. In regards to ourselves, we utilize this technology to be able to solve real-world problems within industry.